This tool literally changed my life. Check this out. Instead of having to search for a path like user share word lists, fuzz web services, what if I just type in web services on the terminal? Boom, I'm there. That's pretty crazy, eh? This is because of a tool called Zoxide, which is like a smart shortcut for your terminal. It learns your most visited directories, so you can jump to them with just a keyword. No more long-winded typing, just quick, easy access to where you need to be. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to install and use this tool on Kali Linux. By the end, you'll be navigating your file system like a pro, moving between directories with ease, and making your terminal experience more efficient and enjoyable. This tutorial requires your concentration. At the end, I have a bonus, so watch till the end. Don't miss out. Let's get right into it. Power up your terminal. The old ways of doing things involved having to check your history or creating endless aliases to find the locations you frequently use. But with this tool, you can streamline your workflow. Just type a keyword, and Zoxide takes you to your destination. It's all about getting you where you need to go, faster and smarter. Now, launch your browser and go to the GitHub website. When there, hit the search bar and type Zoxide. Here, go to the Ajit Souza's link. There, go down the page and click on the installation link. Step 1 is copying the command to install the binary. This tool is amazing. You can install it on Linux, macOS, Windows, and even Android. We will skip this for now. I got something better for you. Head back and open the Kali terminal so we can install Zoxide. Type sudo apt search Zoxide. Bingo. Zoxide is part of the Kali Linux apt package manager. How cool is that? Now just type sudo apt install Zoxide-y. There. Zoxide is now installed. This is the first step in the process. Now go back to the browser, and on the second step, now we need to get the alias shortcut for your shell. Zoxide works with Bash, Elvish, Fish, and even PowerShell. Go to ZSH. Kali by default uses the Z shell, not Bash, like its father Debian. Now click on the copy icon on the right side. Perfect. Go back to the terminal. Make sure you are in the root directory of your user account. If you are not sure, type pwd. You should be able to see home/your username. Now I will teach you a shortcut. Type echo and in single quotes, paste the shortcut. Also do 2 greater thans and .zshrc. Now hit enter. Nice. Now check this out. Type tail.zshrc. Looks good. If you want to do it the classic way, type nano dot and the zshrc file. This will open your configuration with nano. Now fly to the end of the file and at the very end, hit Ctrl-V to paste the line. This command will initialize Zoxide for use with your Z shell. I usually also like to put a comment so I remember what this is for. For that, just type hash and your comment. I'll type Zoxide initiation command. Type smarter, not harder. To save the changes, hit Ctrl-X, then Y, and then hit enter. Boom. Perfect. Now let's source the config file. Type source.zshrc and hit enter. Zoxide is now ready to be used. Type tldr Zoxide to learn more about this tool. This will be your best friend. The tool is ready to be used, but before you see anything, we need to train it to unlock its superpowers. Enter a few folder destinations. In my case, I'll repeat the folder path I had before. Type Z web services. Boom. See how you went straight to the directory. All you have to do now is do what you usually do, and Zoxide will learn the paths. Not only that, but Zoxide will also rank the paths by popularity, and if there are 2 of the same paths, it will give you the choice. You can use the tool just like you would use CD. To go to the root directory, type Z tilde. To go back, hit Z dash. Now, if you have 2 of the same folders, you can type the preceding directory. For example, htbconfig. To go back and forth, you can type z ... and z and the name of the directory, just like you would with CD. Bonus time. And before I do that, hit like and smash the subscribe button if you like this content. Your support means the world to me. Here's the thing. If you are like me, You have so much stuff in your head. Sometimes you'll forget the exact names of the folders you are looking for. But no worries. This is where the command line fuzzy finder comes in. This interactive tool helps you search for stuff you forget. Literally. The FZF tool allows you to search command history entries with fuzzy matching. Fuzzy matching means that the results are filtered as you type, and you don't need to type the exact name of the item you're looking for. Cool. On your terminal, type sudo apt search FZF. It's there. Awesome. The FZF tools is also part of the apt package manager. Simply type sudo apt install FZF-y. Perfect. Now add the following command to your .zshrc file. Remember how to do that right from the terminal? Don't worry. Here it is. Type echo single quotes and enter the following line. Make sure you do two greater thans again and type .zshrc. There. Now type tail.zshrc to see if everything is good. Peachy. Let me explain what we are doing. Instead of creating an alias to invoke z whenever we type cd, Zoxide allows us to pass the cmd option to change the prefix z and zi to cd. You will see this in a second. Great. Let's now source the file. Type source.zshrc. Now let's test. Instead of typing z, just type cd as you would normally do. Let me cd web services again. There. Now it makes sense. We are using the Z tool as cd. How cool is that? Now let's get interactive. Type in cdi and hit enter. Here you will see all the folders you've hit before. You can move up or down to scroll through the folders. But here is where the superpowers come in. Let's suppose I kind of remember a folder. Let's say the word available. Just start typing. See how the folder automatically populates. This is pure genius. Now let's suppose you no longer want these tools. Removal is easy as 1, 2, 3. Let's remove the tools. First, you need to kill the shell. Just type exit and enter. Make sure you don't have any shells running. Now launch a new shell and type sudo apt remove Zoxide FZF-y. There. Both tools are gone. The last step is to get into your ZSHRC file and delete the 2 lines we added previously. Perfect. This trick has saved me hours and hours of work. By integrating these 2 tools, you can streamline your command line operations, making it faster and easier to access the files and directories you need. They're real game changers for boosting productivity and making the command line a more user-friendly environment. There's always something new to discover that can save you even more time. Subscribe and like this video, and see you next time. Peace out.